Time to go to work. Does anyone named Faith watch my vlog? I've got your Coke. Does anyone named William watch my vlog? I've got your Coke Zero. Another day at work. Got frosting in my beard. It is a very rainy day. Now I'm still at work and it's still raining. Less than an hour till I get out of work. Ordered some shirts off of Amazon. They got here. Black Sabbath t-shirt. I'm going to wear it to the Black Sabbath ballet next month. It's not the same thing as wearing the shirt of the band you're going to go see, because Black Sabbath themselves are not playing. New X-Men t-shirt. No 97. I don't like X-Men 97. New Virginia t-shirt. Born and raised. Waiting on some Arby's.
Oh, I've read all about the wild parties and orgies. People running around.
That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.